Welcome to this video on AI-driven content creation tools. After watching this video, you'll be able to leverage generative AI tools to streamline content creation across various formats, including blogs, social media posts, video scripts, and marketing copy. You will explore different AI tools, their capabilities, and how they enhance productivity while maintaining content quality. Additionally, you will discover AI tools that assist in video production, social media scheduling, and graphic design, helping to optimize content workflows. Finally, you will gain insights into selecting the right AI tools based on content goals and refining prompts for the best possible results. Content is the backbone of digital marketing, whether it's website text, blogs, social media posts, or videos. However, creating high-quality content requires time, effort, and resources. Generative AI tools act as powerful productivity boosters, enabling you to craft unique and engaging content quickly with minimal effort. With the right AI tool, businesses can save time while maintaining high-quality content. One of the most versatile generative AI tools for content creation is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. Whether you're a writer, marketer, or content creator, ChatGPT can help generate compelling text-based content effortlessly. It enables users to create entire blog posts, suggest topic ideas, and structure articles for SEO optimization. Additionally, ChatGPT provides well-organized video scripts, including voiceovers, text overlays, and frame-by-frame scripting for explainer videos, tutorials, and social media content. It also generates engaging social media posts, captions, and tweets while helping to develop consistent themes. Furthermore, ChatGPT can assist in planning content calendars by generating day-by-day post ideas, themes, and engaging strategies, making content creation seamless and efficient. For example, a digital marketing agency can use ChatGPT to streamline their content creation process, producing blog posts, Instagram captions, and YouTube short scripts all in one place. While ChatGPT excels at text-based content, Jasper AI, formerly known as Jarvis, is a powerful tool designed specifically for marketing and advertising copy. Jasper AI is widely used by digital marketers to create a variety of content, including advertising copy, landing page content, blog articles, website content, and marketing emails. It enables users to craft compelling ad copy and persuasive landing pages tailored to specific objectives. Additionally, Jasper helps generate high-quality blog posts and product descriptions for e-commerce businesses based on user input or prompts. Many businesses also rely on Jasper to create engaging marketing emails, including automated email sequences for comprehensive campaigns, making it a powerful tool for content creation and digital marketing. For example, a real estate agency can use Jasper AI to develop eye-catching ad copy for Google and Facebook campaigns, increasing lead generation and property sales. Looking beyond ChatGPT and Jasper AI, there are several other AI tools that specialize in social media content creation and scheduling. Consistency is key in social media marketing, and these tools help automate the process while optimizing engagement. Buffer, for example, generates AI-powered posts, captions, and hashtags. Sprinklr, on the other hand, curates trending content and helps repurpose it for various platforms. At the same time, Hootsuite provides AI-driven scheduling and performance analytics, allowing brands to streamline their social media strategy. For instance, a fashion brand can use Buffer to auto-generate captions and schedule posts, while Sprinklr helps them stay on top of viral fashion trends. As video content continues to dominate digital platforms, AI tools have also evolved to assist in script writing, voiceovers, and editing. Synthesia allows users to create AI avatars, generate voiceovers, and produce engaging video content with ease. QSO helps repurpose long-form content into bite-sized videos suitable for platforms such as YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. A fitness trainer, for example, can use Synthesia to create AI-powered workout explainer videos, saving significant production time and effort. A common use of generative AI tools is to create AI graphics and visual content. AI enables users to generate powerful images based on their creativity and input. The key to achieving high-quality results lies in crafting the right prompt. Canva, a widely used design tool, now incorporates AI-powered features to create social media graphics, banners, and infographics with ease. Shutterstock AI, the world's largest image bank, also offers auto-generated AI images that can be customized and downloaded for marketing use. For example, a small business owner can use Canva to create professional social media posts and advertising banners without needing advanced graphic design skills, saving both time and resources. With so many AI-driven tools available, selecting the right one depends on your content goals, your comfort in using the tool, and your ability to craft the right prompt to elicit the best response. AI tools are self-learning systems that improve with continued use, but they require precise instructions to generate high-quality output. To achieve the best results, it is essential to fine-tune your prompt based on the responses you receive, refining them with each iteration. Choosing the right AI tools involves identifying content needs and experimenting with different options to determine which aligns best with your workflow. The effectiveness of these tools ultimately depends on how well they are guided. The right prompt can significantly impact the quality of the output, making prompt refinement a crucial part of the process. For example, a digital marketing agency might use ChatGPT for blogging, Canva for social media designs, and Buffer for post scheduling, streamlining the content creation process for their client and optimizing their overall workflow. In this video, you learned how generative AI tools streamline content creation across various formats, including blogs, social media, video scripts, and marketing copy. You explored tools such as ChatGPT for text-based content, Jasper AI for marketing copy, and specialized platforms such as Buffer, Sprinkler, and Hootsuite for social media automation. Additionally, you discovered AI-driven video production tools such as Synthesia and QSO, as well as AI-powered graphic design solutions such as Canva and Shutterstock AI. Finally, you learned the importance of crafting precise prompts and refining them to optimize AI-generated content was emphasized, along with selecting the right AI tool based on content goals and workflow needs.